Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne and my wife's name is Kathy. This channel is about the things that we use that are in the house that we built ourselves. If you like what you see, if you like the item that we'll be discussing, please click on the link below. Also, please go to the site and buy the item. Today's talk is about how we liked our kitchen faucet. This faucet is the commercial kitchen faucet which we have installed in our home. It is a commercial style 18-inch faucet which we use every day. It is finished in all bright stainless steel. It has a heavy-duty open coil spring spout for an industrial look. As it is only 18 inches tall, it will fit below most normal height kitchen wall cabinets. The faucet has a pull-down spray head for an extended range and will reach all around our sink. The spray head is dual function, so it is switchable from stream to spray while using. The volume control works well in a tight space, and the faucet also looks good with our 23-inch kitchen sink. Our faucet came with a pre-attached water supply lines and all of the necessary hardware for installation. We like the price of the faucet and we like the way it works. If you like this video, please click on the link below in the video description and please buy this faucet. Thank you for watching.
More videos are on the way. Please click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.